demonstrate how to remove the canopy on the Qool stroller. If you are replacing the canopy for whatever reason, I will take you through the steps on how to do that. And it's actually very simple. So what you're going to find is a zipper on the very back part of the canopy. So you have two zippers really, the extender zipper, but then to remove, there's actually a second zipper behind the canopy that you're simply going to unzip all the way. And what you're going to notice is the canopy is now just holding on by these plastic brackets. So you're going to remove those, just unclip. You're going to do that on both sides. Now you have the canopy completely removed. So to replace it, you will reverse that. And you can go ahead and clip the canopy on, and I go top to bottom. Snaps in place. And now you're simply going to re-zip. All the way, and you are done.